It's surprisingly easy to make homemade cheese bread. I can't stop eating it. It's so cheesy and so delicious. Great for breakfast, brunch or as a side dish. You're on Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Annie and let's start. For this cheese bread recipe we need warm water, all-purpose flour, instant dry yeast, vegetable oil, egg yolk, granulated sugar, salt and 2 kinds of cheese. I'm using feta cheese and mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese you like. In a mixing bowl combine warm water, yeast, sugar, salt and vegetable oil. Mix it well. Add flour and knead a dough. Knead until it's smooth, 8 to 10 minutes by hand. Place the dough in the greased bowl, cover with clean towel or plastic wrap and leave it in warm place to rise for 1 to 1.5 hours. Slightly press down the risen dough to release the air. Turn the risen dough out onto a lightly floured surface and roll out into a big circle. Combine 2 kinds of cheese together and place it in the center of the circle by making a ball from it. Then fold and stretch the edges up to meet at the center. Pleat and pinch the dough to create a tidy center knot. Press the bundle down gently and carefully roll it down. Transfer the cheese bread onto a lined baking tray. Brush it with the egg yolk. Add some extra cheese on top. And bake it in the preheated oven to 190 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Serve it warm to enjoy this melted cheese texture and enjoy every bite of it.